Yurika, kamusta kayong lahat? Ang agaro, kusik ni gimin, skira na, abachenga ha, aro ang niski, rabaan ni rangni, gimin ba, nasimang na, agan talapge, kasapayan ni suwabo.
So I'm gonna pronounce to you, okay, Temon? Nara, ay joke lang. Naara na mengama. Correct or not?
This is correct.
Ang ni biming Yurika. Ang ni biming Yurika. Bimung. Pinap. Pinap. Walnap. Kita lang. Nakamay ko. Pati na. Pwede ka. Simsakbo. Ang nga. Basta ko.
One eternity later.
Namengama, naara namengama, ang ni bimong Yurika, pringnam, atamnam, walnam, naa, maiko, dakenga, anga, namenga, simsakbo, anga, Filipino o nga, sawa, mayna, basako, mayi, bachi, anga Malaysia o iskigipani, kamko kaenga, nangko grongge, kusi o nga, chakuja, naa, chaahama, mitela, changgipino, grong taigen. Actually, learning Garo language is a bit challenging for me because I find it difficult to remember, it's hard to memorize, and the pronunciation is sometimes confusing. But I really tried my best. So, I hope you appreciate my effort in doing it, especially to the Garo tribe, because I'm trying my best for all of you, especially to those who subscribe to my channel and who are continuously supporting my channel. This is one way for me to show my gratitude because of all your support to Ma'am Yurika, to me. So, if you have any suggestion or corrections, or you want to reach out to me so that you can help me more in how to enhance my Garo language learning journey, please feel free to comment down below or to chat me, because I am going to respond to all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mitela! Yurika!